Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how you can model in the fastest way possible a simple propeller fan in Fusion 360. Without any other hesitation, let's get started. Before every single drawing, the units are very important, so in order to set them correctly, let's go here to document settings and let's verify if it is millimeters. It is fine, we can go on. First thing that you must do is to create a new component every time. So let's write here, for example, propeller fan. And now, as you can see, this is our active component. Let's start through a new sketch. So let's go here, create a circle, see letter, and write 50 millimeters. Finish the sketch, and now let's go to the coil command. Select again this plan, this middle, and let's write 50. But let's modify here. The diameter, it is fine. Revolutions 0.3 for this time. And the height, it will be 40. Triangle internal, and the section size, it will be 1. Okay, so this is our first body. You can see it here. We must do the same thing, but slightly different. So coil, again, the same plan, the same point, but let's write 100 for this time. Revolution 0.3, height 40, triangle internal, and section size, it will be 1. And then press OK. You can see them now. Let's create a new sketch, also from this plan. To see clear those points, press the P letter and then press Enter. Now you can draw a line exactly from one point to the other. Finish the sketch and let's do the same thing here. But we need a plan to create those sketch. So let's go here, plane through two edges. Select these two edges to create a plan, Enter. And now let's go on this plan, right click, create a sketch. Project again for those 2 points, Enter, and construct a line. Finish the sketch, and let's go now to the Surface tab, and let's select the Path command. We have the first, the second, the third, and the fourth, and you can clearly see it will generate us a surface. We are done, OK. Let's make body 1 and body 2 invisible. We don't need them anymore. So let's go to Thicken, select the surface, and let's add 1 millimeter thickness. Let's go back to the solid, extrude, but extrude it from two sides. The first one, it will be 2, and the other one, it will be 42. Of course, the program will start to cut our propeller, but we need to add an object, not to cut it, so we'll go New Body. Now to look more like a propeller, let's go to the fillet command, select the first one and the second one. Let's write 15 and look like that. Apply the fillet again for the first part and the second one, and we'll write 0.4. To multiply it, go here to the rectangular pattern, but select the circular pattern. Bodies, objects, this one it will be, and the axis, make the body 5 invisible and select the blue axis. Quantity free, OK, it is fine. Make it visible again, and let's have one single object. So go to the Combine, select all 4 bodies, and then press Enter. Now body 4 is our main body and the only one. Create a new sketch here, Project. Make an offset with -5 to be on the interior. In the interior, create here a circle with a diameter of 15, again offset with 5, and create some lines. The first one here, and now let's offset it to be on each side with 1.5. And now again offset the same line -1.5. Delete the middle one and let's multiply it again. Circular pattern, select those 2 lines and the center point, quantity 3, OK, it is fine. Now it is the time to trim. So go to the Trim command and delete those parts. You can also delete the left edges, but it doesn't matter too much. And here, let's create a rectangle. Press the R letter and create a center rectangle. Write 2, tab 4. Trim again, press the T letter, and you finish the sketch. So finish sketch, extrude, select these parts, and drag it in the opposite direction until you reach this distance. And look at that. Let's add now a color also. I will write for this example yellow plastic. Of course, you can select whatever color you want. And look at that. Our propeller fan is done. I hope this video helped you. Learn more about the program and don't hesitate to collaborate with me. Any service is just a click away. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.